to open using a double click, put the mouse pointer on an icon. Like that, I guess. Whoops, no, you told me to go down here. How'd that get here? Oh well, you circled it, so I know. Oh, twice. No. Let me read it again, see if I did something wrong. Folders with a double click, to open using a double click, quickly click the left mouse button twice. I did, nothing happened.
Yeah, Ray, you're doing a good job there. Your mouse pointer is jumping between the clicks, though. That's why it's not working.
Oh. Boy, that's too sensitive then. Programs. Put it inside the Word folder.
Try that again for me, Ray, if you would. Thanks.
Actually, I only hit the button once because I'd forgotten I needed to do it twice.